Hi there, students. Chutzpah. I've also heard people say Khutzpah, but I think I would recommend just going with the Chutzpah pronunciation, losing the C, or the CH, the C. Okay, this means that is a word, a noun, to describe somebody who has a lot of nerve, a lot of effrontery. Yeah, the audacity or the impudence to do something. Yeah, so if you say somebody has chutzpah, you mean you admire them, that you admire that they're not afraid or embarrassed to do things that shock other people, that annoy or surprise other people. Yeah, so this is a very positive sense. It's saying you admire how brave this person is. Yeah, you admire their um, impudence. You admire their audacity. So yeah, he definitely has the chutzpah to call a spade a spade. Yeah, he has the chutzpah to tell the situation exactly how he sees it, and not put the traditional British blandishments around it. Okay, so if you say somebody has chutzpah, you're saying that you respect their braveness in doing things, particularly things that are not in line with the status quo. So I guess you could say Galileo had the chutzpah, or probably it was Kepler, had the Hutzpah, to say that the Earth actually went round the Sun. The Sun didn't go round the Earth. Okay, so this is arrogant courage. This is audacity, impudence, effrontery. Yeah, self-confidence. Yeah, the cheek, the nerve, the boldness to do something. But yes, it's positive. So you're saying that you admire them, yeah, for it. He had the chutzpah to open his own business when he saw that there were no companies in this area, and obviously he made a lot of money. Yeah, you need to have the chutzpah to say exactly what you think. Yeah, it may be perceived as insolent and brave and shocking, but you need to take the risks. Okay, so chutzpah, you take risks, but you don't feel guilty about taking those risks because you're not respecting the opinions or the abilities of other people. Yeah. So yes, the early films by this director were made with a lot of chutzpah and a very small budget. Yeah. Do you think anybody has the chutzpah to disagree with what a certain leader says? Well, I saw a Russian journalist the other day who had the chutzpah to say exactly what she thought by coming onto TV, onto the television news with a sign. Okay, so very often you need to be brave about things, and you need to have the chutzpah to do it properly. Okay, so let's see, informality. This is a very informal word. I would give it a 3.5 out of 10, maybe even a 3. Notice this is a Yiddish word. Yeah, and I think for that reason in English we have 5 or 6 different spellings. Yeah, I think we just don't know how to spell it. It comes from the Yiddish Khutzpe, yeah, meaning, or hasap, to be insolent. Yeah, okay, so barefaced and insolent, hasap. Okay, and that's the idea. So it's being brave and doing things, having the self-confidence to do things in the face of the fact that it's not the accepted status quo. Okay, and that's the idea of chutzpah. Yeah, it's a great word to use. Notice, I think this is much, much more used by Americans than it is in the UK, but it's still perfectly valid in British English as well. Okay, so Chutzpah, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Chutzpah, Khutzpah.